Namaste, you beautiful beings of light. I love Mother Nature. She's amazing. She is so self-sufficient in so many ways. And everything that occurs within her affects us. So, how are you connecting with the aspect of Mother Nature? Do you even give a rip? Because it is about you, you know. Everything is about you and the choices that you are making for yourself. Yes, there's a lot going on within Mother Nature, but we can assist her because we are a part of her, whether you believe it or not. And we feel what she feels to some extent. Just reflect back on yesterday, the day before, 5 minutes ago. Where were you? How were you feeling? Were you feeling abundant? Were you in scarcity? Were you in fear? I hope you were in the state of love. Loving yourself and everything that is being revealed to you. You could choose chaos, peace, love, compassion. And that in itself is the miracle within. I love Mother Nature. I feel her, and I will show up. God bless.